In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yahoo email account. We'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you can confidently navigate the entire process. By the end of these 3 minutes, you'll have all the knowledge you need to remove your account permanently. First, let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to yahoo.com. This marks the beginning of our journey, and it's key to start by signing into your Yahoo account. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your username. Be sure to take a moment to verify that the username you've entered is indeed correct, as this is crucial for signing in successfully. Hitting the Next button, you'll then need to type in your password. If your password is particularly long or complex, consider using the Show Password feature to ensure each character is entered correctly. After this, click the Next button once more, and if everything is entered accurately, you should find yourself successfully logged into your Yahoo account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage, where your profile icon or avatar resides. Clicking on this will conveniently reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select the Account Info option. This is where all the settings related to your Yahoo account are managed. Once clicked, you'll be redirected to your account page. The next step is to locate and click on the privacy controls. This section is crucial as it's the gateway to deleting your account. Within the privacy controls area, scroll down until you come across the section labeled Manage Your Information. This is where your focus should be. Now, keep an eye out for the option that reads Delete Your Yahoo Account. Clicking this will lead you to a new page. Here, you'll need to click on the Continue Delete My Account button. Remember, this step is irreversible, so ensure you're completely ready to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter the Yahoo email address you're planning to delete. Carefully type the address in, double-checking for any errors to ensure accuracy. Finally, to complete the process and confirm your decision, click on Yes, Delete My Account. This is your last step. By doing so, you're authorizing Yahoo to permanently delete your account. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the entire process of deleting your Yahoo email account. A quick reminder, once deleted, your account and all associated data will be permanently removed. If there are any important emails or information you'd like to keep, make sure to back them up before you finalize the deletion. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been both helpful and clear.